you go gym on level 6. 6, go down.
This is a long walk. Just heading to the pool. Gab's there, well not the pool, sorry. We're heading to the gym. Gab is there at the moment, so we'll meet her. But yeah. Found it. Gab. Lars and her Gabs. Gym done. Alrighty, just got back to the room, just got changed for the game. We're heading to go see the Warriors play against TKR. So cannot wait. The ground is apparently 15 minutes away. So yeah, can't wait. Apparently we've got a police escort as well. So fingers crossed that's still happening. But yeah, we'll wait and see. Whew, it is hot outside.
Jesus,
Oh my god, look at this genius writing a caption. The lights! Da, 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 da. Shingle. We outside. Chadine! Chadine! Nation! Ah! Burns! Ah! Sorry. You got one? Yep. I don't know whose this is.
what is that? It's like a
Spacious. Kiki. Oh, the other way. Put on you.
Affy there in the cuts. Claxton.
Yes, stop talking. I'll give you the full big one.
Hello, Claxton, they have holy. Hey. There big people here.
What do we got, coach?
A good day, a lovely weather.
Rain.
The woman message, finish your message. I'm going to put in the
Big shot out. Big shot out. You out, so you know.
TV director. TV director. TV director.
Soft signals.
Every minute. Sorry. Wicked. Just happy.
Hey, look at this.
Yeah, mama. Go, mama.
Bitch, easy, right?
That's one.
Hey, she's easing closer.
Oh!
Crease.
Oh, yeah!
She knows.
Yeah, mom, this one. I'll put it in.
Whoa! We outside. Klaxon.
Coach, you want me in it?
Yeah, you want me where you will.
Probably sweating so much.
Hello, mate.
Go, Henry. Yeah, baby girl. Nice. Yeah, boy. Chat it.
One more before the team come out. Barbados Royals. Barbados Royals winning the toss on accent TKR to bat. European battle.